Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 1965 Jaguar 3.8S. It's a sedan, four-door, obviously. It's a beautiful car. Really good cosmetics, not perfect, but very good. Very nice paint and chrome. Beautiful wire wheels with the disc brakes. Radial tires. Interior's gorgeous. A newer red leather interior. The wood is also very good. Not perfect, but these cars to make perfect cost stupid money to do, but this is a very good driver quality. It's equipped with seat belts and even shoulder belts. I imagine those were put in after the fact. The wipers work. I'm not sure about the heating and ventilation. Has a modern sound system, looks like Bluetooth. Headliner is perfect. Very nice car, really well done. Just spectacular, really. Look at the dash. Just gorgeous. It's all redone inside. Has a CD player. I'll be with you in a few minutes.
What's that?
I'll be with you in a few minutes.
That's cool.
So gorgeous interior. Chrome is very good. So it's got a big modern aluminum radiator. Very nice condition. So we're going to go for a quick drive. So this is automatic transmission, power steering. So the starting sequence is turn the power. Starts right up. When I started this morning, it started immediately. So it looks like it's a two-speed transmission. Drives excellent. Has power steering, I mentioned. Drives super smooth. So the speedo works. Tachometer works. Nice driving car. Goes down the road nice and straight. Good braking. I believe the clock even works, so these gauges also work. As I mentioned, the wipers work. Temp gauge works. Really quiet. You know, the six-cylinder motor is silky smooth. They're known for silky smooth, and this being an automatic, really nice. Because it's really an ideal motor to have with an automatic transmission, in my opinion. So the turn signals work. The tack works. Gauges appear to all work. Wipers work. Lights. I'm not going to try the washer. I'm not sure on the heating and ventilation. Overall, super comfortable car. Just what you would expect. And you know, one of the things that when people bring cars, I also always note some guys drive them and some guys have them flatbedded. This guy drove it, you know, freeway miles here. So this is a driver. I see no evidence of rust anywhere on the car. Really a nice car. So we'll back it in. Reverse on this is all the way over. So let me know if you have any questions. Let's review a 1965 Jag, smog exempt, clean California title. We can do financing or delivery. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.